Now we are going to solve exercise 1.2 question number 1. Exercise 1.2 question number 1, first part, with the help of by using the quadratic formula. The first step is that by using the quadratic formula you have to convert your equation or your question into standard form. And what is the standard form? Yes, ax square plus bx plus c. It means that the first term is having x square, second term having x coefficient, and third term is the constant. So we have to rearrange. When we rearranging that one, we are shifting all these terms on the other side of the equal sign. When shifting other side here, minus x square, it will become plus x square. It's same place, so plus 7x will remain same. 2 is shifting on other side, so it will become minus 2. Equal to 0 is remaining on the left hand side. हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड की बजाय इसको राइट हैंड साइड में भी 0 को लिख सकते हैं, तो हमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. ओके, आफ्टर दैट write the standard form of the quadratic equation. What is that? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. By comparing equation number 1 and quadratic, the standard form of quadratic equation, find out the value of a, b and c. Here we will make its name is equal to 2. By comparing equation 1 and 2, मतलब हम पूरा steps लिख देंगे तो हमारे लिए easy रहेगा, मार्क्स भी हमारे पास फुल आएंगे और समझना भी आसान रहेगा. By comparing equation 1 and equation 2. So what is the value of a? Here x square, here x square. What is the coefficient of x square here? When there is nothing written, how many x square are here? 1. So the value of a is equal to 1. Right? Coefficient of x, the value is the b. So what is the value of b? The value of b is equal to 7. Good. Then c, constant. What is the value of c? Yes, the value of c is equal to 2. Is it right? No. Okay, what's mistake? Minus 2, because here plus sign, so that's why compare the general equation. So that's why it's the negative sign, so you have to write the minus sign. Minus 2, if you are confusing, then you have to make proper standard form and you will write that plus then minus 2. See, after plus there is a plus sign, the value of c is equal to minus 2. Now by using the quadratic formula, we will put all these values in the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. So x is equal to minus b. This minus is the formula sign. So minus, what is the value of b? 7. So you will write it here 7. Then after that plus minus. So you also will use the sign of plus minus. Then root. What's here? B square. What's here? B square. So 7 square minus, then we will apply the negative sign. 4 AC. AC mean A, what is the value of A? The value of A is equal to 1. Here A and here C, root complete के ऊपर आएगा, over 2A. The value of A is equal to 1 here and here, and the value of C, that is minus 2. Finish. Now we have to simplify. So you can use to simplify with the help of calculator also, writing all terms in the root, that you will able to give the one answer. Otherwise, how to simplify? X is equal to minus 7 will remain same, plus minus this also same. 7 square. What is 7 square? 49. Good. Minus into minus plus 4 twos are 8. So plus 8 over. ये फ्रैक्शन आपके पास कंप्लीट है. ऐसा ना हो कि सिर्फ some students are doing a fraction only the सर्ड फॉर्म कि सर्ड के नीचे होता है प्लस माइनस, इसके नीचे नहीं होता, तो आपके पास गलत हो जाता है. उसके लिए फिर हमें एलसीएम लेना पड़ेगा, तो आपके पास गलत हो जाएगी स्टेटमेंट अदरवाइज. 2 1s आर 2. So x is equal to minus 7 plus minus 49 plus 8, 57 over 2. When you will use the calculator, you can write all that components in a single time. Then you will get the answer 57 or वो भी सही होगा. Now there is nothing possibility to write the more simplification because that is a third form and it is without third form. So nothing possible to more simplification. So what we will do that maximum, if you want to write the more simplification, then you will write ones plus and ones minus. That is your answer. Solution set is that. So once you will write minus 7 plus, because plus and minus two terms, root 57 over 2 comma then minus 7 minus root 57 over 2 and bracket close. यहाँ पे भी आपको बताता चलो ब्रैकेट्स आपने करली ब्रैकेट को यूज करना है. अगर स्मॉल ब्रैकेट यूज करेंगे या बिग ब्रैकेट यूज करेंगे तो आपके पास फिर गलती हो जाएगी बिकॉज वी आर यूजिंग फॉर द स्मॉल ब्रैकेट फॉर द open intervals and the big bracket we are using for the closed interval. So that is the difference between the open interval and closed interval. तो आपने सिर्फ और सिर्फ इस brackets को use करना है. Okay, then after that our question is complete. There is a time of assignment. There are two groups. Group B will solve this assignment and group A will solve the second assignment. That is the third part of our exercise and that is second part of our exercise. Here I will help you something of the group A. So first of all, it is already in the standard form. Okay, so we will make its equation number 1. So by comparing equation 1 and 2, what is the value of A? I will help you, then after that you will solve. Value of A is equal to 5. Good. And the value of B, what is that? The coefficient of x. Here you can see that the coefficient of x, the value of B is equal to 8. And the C, constant term. What is the constant last term? That is the 1. So after that, by using the quadratic formula, there is quadratic formula in front of you. So put the values here and find out the answer. And the group A, you will solve this part. Here, first step, what you will do that? Make in standard form. So I am doing help. One step for you, the remaining step you will solve. 3 root x square will remain same. Okay, plus x. And when shifting other side, so minus 4 into root 3 is equal to 0. Now this is your equation number 1 and equation number 2. That is standard form of the quadratic equation. By comparing standard form and equation number 1, find out the value of A, B and C, and by using the quadratic formula and find out the answer. I will also give you the value of A, B and C. Okay, when you compare the value of x square, here x square and here x square, what is the remaining coefficient of this one? That is 3. So the value of A is equal to root 3 and the value of B, coefficient of x, how many x's are there? 1x. Good, the value of B is equal to 1 and the constant term C, the C is equal to 4 root 3. Is it right? No. So what's mistake? Negative sign, because according to formula there is a plus sign. If there is no plus sign here, then you will also mention the minus sign. Where are the values of A, B and C? This is your quadratic formula. By putting the values and simplify and find out the answer. Please Now your turn, start to solve. Thank you very much.